Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair FeiyuTech AK2000S with Android smartphone. And first we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Then locate app called FeiyuOn. Install it. Now, while the installation process is ongoing, we can power on the gimbal. Here we can perform a setup, so we need to choose our language. Which for some reason doesn't work. Okay, anyway, when it's powered on, we can move on to my Android phone. Here, enter your email address and either create new account or log into already existing one. Now we need to allow all of the permissions, and after a few seconds we should detect this device automatically and it will be connected to your smartphone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.